Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from How to Fix Online. In this video, we are going to be learning how to fix TD Bank application crashing on your Android device. If your TD mobile banking application keeps crashing and it gets you to the main interface of your Android device every time you open up the app, then there might be several reasons for that to happen. But do not worry at all. We are going to learn how we can easily fix the issue step by step. Step 1. Restart the application. The first thing you can do is to restart your TD Bank application. Tap on the menu button at the bottom left from your Android device. You will come across the app cards for the application that is running on your Android's background. Simply close off the background running app by pushing off the app card upwards. You can also tap on Close All in order to close off all of the applications. Once you force quit your TD Bank app, go ahead and tap Open the TD Bank application from your app drawer. Sometimes a simple restart can resolve temporary glitches. Step 2. Check for network connection. Make sure that you have a stable internet connection when using the TD Bank application. Poor connectivity or intermittent internet issue can cause the app to crash or behave unpredictably, so make sure that you are connected to a Wi-Fi or a mobile data. Step 3. Restart your device. If the above solutions didn't work for your problem, the next thing to do is to restart your device. Press and hold the power switch for your Android device. The power switches might differ according to your Android device's model. Once you turn off your Android device, make sure to launch it back on again. Once you restart your device, this action will clear out temporary system files and it will resolve background issues that may be causing the TD Bank app to crash. Also make sure that you delete and clear out any application you no longer use on your Android device. Simply go find the application you no longer use and hold the app icon. Now tap on Uninstall and repeat the step for any other application you no longer use on your Android phone. Clearing out some of your storage space on your Android phone might also resolve the issue for apps crashing on your Android. So those were some of the fixes you can follow in order to fix TD Bank application crashing on your Android phone. If the video was helpful to you, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.